Hey, oh. Ooh, nagsisitan. Okay, so, nalaro ngayon ng Sarah G. Alive. Wait ako for gandang gabi vibes kasi maganda tapos makita ko yung tweets ng aking mga friends or yeah, friends. Sobrang fun daw. Ano tong ostrich walk? Oh my goodness. Okay, so watch. Sleep na sana ako ng 8 pa, but too early and tomorrow. Yeah, wait, close the door. And I'm back. So, dito ko yun sa room nila, mom. Like, yeah. So, let me see to make sure. Here. TFC! Okay, or like, yeah. Hindi ko kasi memorize ng schedule ng TFC dito sa iya. Okay, so, let me show you. Okay, what's up, group? Wait. I have cramps. Okay. What can I do? You want me to sing? Like, you're the one I love, you're the one I need. Oh my god, he's mirrored. Oh my god. Okay, so, yung Benson's right. Right, not left. Right. Like, it's right. What? Wait! I'll go get my binders, okay? Oh no, my index. Here we go. I don't know, I'm just bored. I found getting your color in the card this morning. This from Donna's store. Here. Need rule in cars. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, rule in card. Like other language. So I'll write something. Let's say hi to my friends. I'm gonna say Pauline. What the hell? I want this mechanical pencil. Pero kailangan pa matapos yung ubus yung isang pack na bili ko galing sa Office Max. So, yeah. Like, saan mo kita na ito no? I-post ko yung post dito. Or post tweet. Let me see. Pauline. That's gonna be cool. Oh my gosh, I saw a driving cursive. Oh yeah, Pauline. Because machine. Directioner. One Direction. Okay, so kung magpadala ako, may money, kung magpadala ako lang sa kanya for Christmas or something. For my brothers first. Because, kasi sila, ano dog? Yeah. Oh, hey. The light. Oh, here you go. Or let's say a message. Okay. Pauline. Pauline. Okay, let's see. Dear Polly. MMK, MMK. Oh, oops, I got two index cards. Let's see, what can I say to that girl? She's a good girl. Dear. I want to say it in her language because I cannot like express everything that I want to say in English. And so, yeah. Okay, so I miss you. This is from. Oh God, J.O. Oh, kalau sa GR, parang okay, so. Oh. And love you. So, I want to buy Sharpie. Gusto ko ng Sharpie kasi pang pencil para magaling siya i-write like doodle dumps. Basta next time kung ubusan ng aking mga highlighters, magsha-Sharpie ako pati pang-write sa aking agenda. May sila kong pang-write sa aking agenda. So, yeah. So, I don't mind people watching this video for like 20 minutes or stuff. But this video is like so like, nagtaba ako. Oh, check my efforts. When, I don't know kung gusto ko taekwondo or something practical. Yeah. See. I think I want this now. Okay. Oh, that's it. Yeah. So, hindi ko nag-chill ang aking fellowship. Hindi ko alam bakit. Or just get worse. Oh. Yes, ayan. Aking parang dear Pauline. So, probably go home for something. What? And oh, love you. Sorry sa lahat kasi annoying ako. from minsan. Oh, not minsan. Always. And let's read. Annoying ako minsan, and I miss those memories that we made. That we made last since grade 5 and 6, and I will give you one soft promise. Don't ever change. You know, like, yeah. Talaga siya change from, yeah. Talaga siya nag-change. Okay. So, dala ko kasi. Gusto ko Sharpie. Gusto ko magod ng Sharpie na ganito ulit. So, Sharpie ang gamitin ko. But I miss those two. That's it. Directioner. I'm just bored. That why. So yeah.